In this video, we are going to fix the 0x800f0989 Windows Update error. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to restart the background intelligent transfer service. So how we can do that, at the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'd be able to open a small window called Run. Here, please type for services.msc and click on the OK button to continue. Once you have opened the services, please find for the background intelligence service, make a right click, click on the properties, start the service, proceed to the startup type, click on this down arrow key, set it into automatic. Please click on apply and then click on OK. And then you need to navigate here at the left side. You can see there's restart the service. Click on it. Wait until this process would be finished. And once it is being done, try to run the Windows update again and check if it's working. However, if not, then we need to navigate to the next solution. And that is here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. So at the settings, we need to run the troubleshooter for Windows update. So wait until it would be ready first before we continue on that solution. Now, once set, you need to navigate here at the left pane. Please find for an option which is the system. Click on here. And then under the system settings, you need to locate for the troubleshoot. So by that, you need to scroll down, proceed to troubleshoot. Afterwards, you'll see these three options, locate for other troubleshooters. And from that, under the most frequent, you can see there Windows Update. Please click on Run. So once you have run the troubleshooter for Windows Update, check if the Windows Update has been working this time, okay? So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.